Hey everyone, it's Ben with Master Spot Parts here. Today we're looking at a 2013 Twilight Series 6.2, and we're working on the foot jet. We've had a lot of calls and people wondering when they order it. It just doesn't seem like it's right. So this is what you see in your foot jet. The jet obviously turns to adjust the flow. That jet does come out. So this is what the jet should look like. What people are finding when they pull it out is this is what they get. What happens is the tabs on this break. This cone part is stuck in the hot tub here, and you have to get that cone removed. So in the foot jet housing, you see the black ring here. It does have 2 screws in it. For the purpose of this video, we do have the screws removed from this one. It's just a Phillips head screw. Pull that black ring out. So we have the ring. The big thing is getting the cone piece out of here. So I have 2 needle nose pliers. You can kind of see where the tabs are if you look closely enough at it. The tabs are here and here. So what we're gonna do is grab the tabs on each side and spin it. Not the easiest task. Spin and pull, and it comes out. Take your new jet. After you put the ring back in, turn it, put it in. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 855-308-2149 or hit us up on the live chat anytime we're open. Happy hot tubbing.